Hi guys, in today's video let us understand on how to use live share and live server in Visual Studio Code. The prerequisites of using this is to do the installation of these extensions. So let us open Visual Studio Code, click on File and go to Preferences if it's a Windows. If it's a MacBook, go to Code, go to Preferences and go to Extensions. Here you need to type live server. This is the one you need to install. Also, do install live share. So this is the one you need to install. Once the installation is successful, close these windows and do ensure to close Visual Studio Code as well. Now, let us test this on the project. Here I am going to clone a project of my own. So I am opening the terminal. Let me do it on the desktop so that you can see it. cd desktop git clone and I paste the link. You can see I have right now cloned the project. Now let us open Visual Studio Code, and this I need to drag and drop. Either use drag and drop or click on File and click on Open. Go to Desktop and select Angry Birds project and click on Open. Either the way it works. Now you should be able to see two important things over here. One is the Go Live option in the bottom bar and the live share option in the bottom bar. One is towards the right and one is towards the left. When you click on Go Live, you're connected to the live server now and you should be able to see your project. You can play around with it. The advantage of using a live server is whenever you do any certain changes to this project, like adding something and save it, it automatically refreshes. Cool. Now that you have understood how to use the live server, let us understand how to use the live share option. Let's click on live share. You should be able to see something like this. You can click on more info. And this is the link that you need to use for sharing. But before that, always ensure to sign in. Here, click on Turn on Settings Sync. Click on Turn on. Sign in and turn on. Sign in with GitHub account. Click on Continue by authorizing it. Authorize GitHub. And click on Open Visual Studio Code and open. Now you can copy this link and open in a new tab and paste it. You can send this link to the person who wants to do the live share. I'm opening it right here so that you can understand the difference. There you go. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Click on this first icon, you'll be able to see the same files. And when you click on the first icon right here also, you should be able to see the same set of icons. Now you can see whatever I'm adding over here will be added in the other person's window as well. And wherever the other person makes the changes, it gets added also over here. The only disadvantage of this is it automatically switches, as you can see. That's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful to you in any which ways. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.